Hello, artists! Today, I'm thrilled to walk you through our Inktober Ink Brush Collection for Procreate, featuring 45 carefully crafted brushes. This set is perfect for those of you participating in Inktober, but it's also ideal for any artist looking to elevate their ink illustrations with a digital twist. Let's take a look at what makes this collection so special. Each brush has been meticulously designed to capture the organic feel of traditional inking techniques. We have smooth line brushes, which are perfect for outlining and creating clean edges. They allow you to make precise strokes that really pop off the screen, helping you define your art with clarity and finesse. Next, we've got textured brushes that offer a more raw, expressive quality. These brushes are great for adding depth and dimension, mimicking the feel of real brush or pen strokes. They give your work that handmade, tactile look that's hard to achieve with standard digital brushes. For those who love a bit of artistic flair, there are splatter and blot brushes included as well. These create an authentic ink splatter effect that adds character and energy to your work, ideal for those spontaneous touches that make a piece feel alive. With a variety of options, you can experiment with creating backgrounds, adding highlights, or even splattering around your main subject for a bold effect. We didn't just stop at aesthetics, though. These brushes are highly responsive and optimized for Procreate's pressure sensitivity, meaning you'll have excellent control over line weight and texture based on how you press down with your stylus. This feature is invaluable for artists looking to replicate the experience of using real ink with their Procreate setup. And let's talk about the range. From pencil-thin lines to broad, dynamic strokes, the Inktober Ink Brush Collection has a tool for every part of your illustration process. You can start with loose sketches, build up to detailed outlines, and finish with textured shading, all without switching out of Procreate. These brushes are suitable for all ages and skill levels, making them perfect for both beginner illustrators and seasoned professionals. They work wonderfully for any kind of inking project, whether it's intricate doodles, elaborate character designs, or even full-page scenes. If you're excited to take your digital inking to the next level, go ahead and download the Inktober Ink Brush Collection for Procreate. And if you enjoy these brushes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Your support helps us bring even more creative tools your way. Happy inking! And let's make this Inktober unforgettable.